Today I have a beta version of ON1 Photoraw 2023.1 and I'm going to show you the new features of this software, of course. Hi everyone, my name is Eddie, welcome to my channel ON1 Photoraw Creative Photography, and today we are going to see the new features of this new update of ON1 Photoraw 2023.1. First, as you may notice, you have the fonts just there, and as you can see, you have the exposure, contrast, etc. All this text here are too small, as you may notice. We can now change it in the Edit Preferences. You have the ability to go to the font size, small, medium, or large. We are going to select the large and OK. Now you have the ability to close the application and to open the application to see the changes. Here you go. As you may notice, we have now a bigger font just there. So you can adjust just here the size here of the area, and now you are comfortable with the font size. So it's the first new feature. Now we are going to see the second one, the crop tool. So the crop tool is just there. In the crop tool, you have the ability now to change the overlays. You can change with the rule of third. You have now the grid, the diagonal, triangles, golden ratio, golden spiral, or none, as you may notice. You can, for example, select the golden spiral, just a bit like this. You can go to the flip overlay horizontal or vertical if you want to select this part of this overlay. But if you want, you have another option, really interesting. You can crop just a little bit like this your picture. But if you want, you have the ability to select the auto hide overlay just there. And when you will push this button and you will crop your picture, you will see the overlay. But when you release the crop tool, you do not see the overlay. If you want to always show the overlay, you can do it all the same too. It's the second features of ON1 Photoraw 2023.1. Now I'm going to show you the heading brush. You have some improvement of the tool too. The heading brush just there. Now we have the copy and move, and you will see we have the ability to transform. You will see that just now. So I'm going to erase these two people just a bit like this. And as you can see, it's really easy to erase these two people just like this. You know the tool. Okay. Now you have the ability to copy a subject, maybe just there. I'm going to show you quickly this cow. I can simply duplicate this cow if I want, just in this area maybe, or just there. Should be funny. And now, if you push the Alt button on Windows or Option button on Mac, you have the ability to transform. If you want, you can flip just in this area, just a bit like this. You can flip all the course just there, but I think it's not the purpose there. You can, if you want, resize the subject. You can put it just here. Why not? Should be a good idea. And as you may notice, we have two cows just there with this copy option just here. You have just to click on done, and here you go. Now you have the ability to move your subject. As you may notice just there, you have the move tool just here. You can simply select this rock, for example, just there. And you can, if you want, move it just in this area. Unlike before, you can push the Alt button on Windows, or you can select the Option button on the Mac, and you can flip this rock, for example, if you want to change this thing. You can, if you want, change the size. Should be a great thing. we can place it in another area. And as you may see, when you move the rock, ON1 samples the empty area with another texture in the picture. You can favor it if you want. Just there. And you click on Done. Just a bit like this. Now you have the ability to swap the sky with two possibilities. I'm going to show you. You have to select the sky just there. And now you have two methods, model A and model B. You are now on the model A. We are going to select the sky, just a bit like this for this example. And as you may see, the sky is okay, the blend is okay. If I select the model B, here it's not the case. The clouds goes directly on the bridge just there. The accurate model is the A, just like this. So we have two abilities now to select and to mask the sky in this area with the model A and the model B. You have some improvement too of the no-noise AI and the resize AI with the performance, and you have the ability to have some new cameras and lenses in this version of ON1 Photoraw 2023.1. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.